All the man now we deal with a man like that, man. Tell me. You see them boy in the day, see me take me, man. I grab all the white bag there. Run me around with that, man. A joke me I make. Here we go now. I just check out the store, top farm.
Put a step there, you aisle when you slide.
One more time. Wow. Let's see me I do. Something crazy. Watch it. Yeah, mash up that.
When the whole I said, the man depend, brother. Look what I said, damage, brother. And the man a flesh.
No, bro.
One more pro box, but blow over virgin. You see me? The boy's not dead still, but one more pro box. I'm virgin. They keep it too short the video too much, but why? See it there? Set me up there, alright? One more pro box. Why does it have to be a pro box? The virgin is still in there, but boy, it could be worse. A jar works, you know?
Good morning, good evening, good night. So we see police and the money are tossed up. You tell me I say, you know we're going, but see the police them tell the man say go in a jeep. Come like the man and refuse, but what me really I say, I be a violence and police are push, you know. Everything are those violence and can't pre-off it. Deal with the people and if them not deal with violence, if them not talk with violence, if them not act violent, you understand? And I be a young youth who me see I graduate from school and I go into the force and come like them just come a road to take out them problem from people and them anxiety. Cause me I tell them I like how them deal with the youth here. You see what I say? Yeah man, you don't really have no respect. The people can't respect you way. You can't talk to people and people obey by the rules and abide. You understand? And most some foolishness you do. And you don't want to lock out the man and the man resist. You understand? Yeah man, this them things I tell them man. Police them be a violence, them push. Nobody now push peace again. As I talk to a man tell about your mother and tell her what him go do from what him not do. Them things I try show you. Police them have the man on the ground. I saw them kill George Floyd at foreign, you know. Have the man on ground and style for the man to death, you know. And look how him deal with the man. So another young youth this, you know. That's why when anything happen to the police, them I done business. Because of them things, them I got a road that do violate people. So when people hold them, you understand? Like how them hold people and deal with people. Them things make people grow with fear in them and certain things if you not like you know and want to do no things because you not do people, you not make people approve you know more depend you know high water depend you know. So things must reach you know. So understand them I say and of them things you make you have some man premeditate and want soon and just lick something pan you know. Me I tell you know. I don't really blush the police, you know, I just show nothing about life and art of war, you know. And you know, alone to have some people out there, them don't know if to deal with people. Them feel like them want proof on people and you have a man that got just prove a point upon you and come for you. And probably when a man come for you, run and a beg for your life and a beg for murder, and not even a member when you that wicked chat. And back off a knife or back off a gun and a deal with man wicked. I tell you so. That's why violence can't done. Who born come here come see violence, man. Me I tell you, man, violence can't done. Understand me I say? Because people are always do things and make people premeditate them and pre them to come hurt them as well. People would have said premeditated murder. You understand? Yeah, man. Sometimes when you see all some people, man, a BH shot them get, man. Me I tell you, man, you have to just know, say, yo, the way how the crime scene look like it a come under grievance. Cause lone head shot, head swell out, head pierce on Pantara, pierce on a ground on one part. So me I show you know, my listeners and subscribers and all of the people them. Sometimes if you can walk away, walk away. If you can defend yourself in a art of war, defend yourself. But you see sometimes, some people, where you see a push violent pound as I say, if it reach to a conclusion where a chatting till it reach to tussling up, yeah man, no run man, defend yourself man, always remember in this world, yeah, anything or anything, you're ready for jail, death, understand, anything will come with violence. I just saw it go from people that push violence, you have to push back violence because you can't make, sometimes some people feel like them are do things or cut you or stab you and nothing will come out of it. You understand? I just saw it go, the fittest and the fittest survive round and so. You see me? So you see them police as well me say, I don't like how them a deal with the man, you see it? Them could have deal with the man better. Them could have talked to the man. You understand? Them have them firearm. You understand? And them can't really deal with people under certain level way. Them can talk to people and people understand and obey by them rules. You see what I say? Anytime when you see police and people toss up a fuck we go on. You hear me tell you? Fuck we go on. Yeah man.